Ummi, please, can I bake? Ummi, please, can I bake? Can I please bake? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Ma's Kitchen. Today I'm not going to show you how to make something sweet. I'm going to show you how to make something salty. It's garlic knots. Here are all the ingredients. Here are all the ingredients that you need. You don't need a lot of ingredients. You just need a little bit. So, we have some pizza dough and my mom made it yesterday and we put it in the fridge. Then we have some salt, some parsley, we have some garlic. You can crush it or you can chop it. Then we have some butter. We have some olive oil. We have a pizza cutter. And we have a rolling pin that you can roll the dough. And then we have a tray. And then we have a little bit of flour so that when we roll it, we can just dust it. Don't forget to wash your hands before you bake. And don't forget to say Bismillah, Bismillah. So let's get started. So first, you need to take some flour and dust it all over the table because if you don't dust it, then the dough will stick to the table. Okay, you dust it all over. Here, 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 and there. Now, you take the dough and put it and push it down, and then you can knead it with your hands because if you don't want to roll it, then you can just knead it with your hands. I'm going to knead it with my hands. I'm going to push it, and then now flip it over and knead it more. And now you take the rolling pin and do it. And then you can roll it out. Roll it out until it's flat. Okay, now I'm almost done. Roll it out until it's a little bit thin. Just keep rolling the pin back and forth and back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. If it gets too sticky, then you can add some more flour. You can get your mom to roll it out, or you can, if it's hard, or you can use it with your hands. Now, you're going to push down really hard. And then, I'm using a pizza cutter. And it's a pizza cutter. Follow the line. Now you can take your dough and roll them into knots, into garlic knots. When I take the fondant and I put some here and then I wrap it around like that, so maybe I can do it. I'm going to push it down and then I'm going to do like this and then I'm going to do like that and then put it over and then over and push it down, then over again. Look, see? It's garlic knot. And then you put it on the tray. Keep going until you're finished. So again, you do like that. Again, you do like this. And then you push it. And then you do like this and then push it. And then look. You're going to put it on the tray. You're going to keep going until you are You can do some more, whatever whatever shape you can do or whatever types you want to do. I'm having fun. I think there's some more space on the tray to put some more garlic nuts. Garlic nuts. Garlic nuts. You're going to keep going until you are done. This is the last one. There. Now we're going to brush it with some olive oil. Now we're going to brush the nuts with olive oil. You're going to brush it really well. If it goes on the other, if it drips, then it doesn't matter because you can just take some. Okay, I think we're done. We're going to let these rise for a little while, and now we're going to make some garlic butter, inshallah. So we're going to do the next part in the kitchen near the stove. So you need to have someone next to you because the stove is very hot and you can burn yourself. So we're going to make the garlic butter. So we are going to put the butter in. So maybe you can use a spatula if you want to. Use a spatula. Okay, now stir the butter around until it's melted. Be careful because the stove can get hot. When the butter is melted, then you can add the garlic. Then you're going to add the garlic. Stir for just a few minutes. Now, when you smell the garlic, then you can add the salt and the parsley, okay? So then I'm going to take some, and then you're going to dump everything up. Going to stir it. It looks like spinach, but it's not spinach. It just looks like spinach. Looks like spinach to me. And that's it. It's done. We took our garlic nuts out of the oven, and you can see it's nice and brown. And now we're gonna wash. Make sure you use lots and lots and lots of garlic. If it drops on the pan, it doesn't matter because you can just take it and spray it on. Make sure you have to brush it while it's hot, while the nuts are hot. All done. Now for the delicious taste test. Look at all of these garlic nuts. They're done. MashaAllah. Look at these. They're all done. And we can eat them now. Abadi, Lena, come and have the taste test. It's not sweet.
Assalamu alaikum. Wow, mashallah. What are these, Marwah?
They're garlic nuts. Here,
Wow,
eat
it
it.
smells so nice.
Yeah, smell it.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
What do I have to say?
Bismillah.
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 Want to try something now? No? You like it?
What do you think?
I think it's really good, mashallah. Now I need a cup of tea.
I don't think Lena liked it because it wasn't too sweet. What do you think?
I think it's really good, mashallah. Thumbs up. What do you think? Whoa, thumb way up.
And
Alhamdulillah.
thumbs and feet up too.
Feet up too. Whoa.
Jazakallahu khairan for watching.
See you next time.